Today, I'm going to point out a major stereoscopic 3D issue in the brand new Insta360 EVO. This issue is causing discomfort when watching in VR headset. Views XR right here also had the same issue, but luckily for Views XR user, they fixed it in the latest software update. If you already purchased the Insta360 EVO for VR180, don't worry. Your boy Hugh here will teach you how to solve it and get very comfortable good VR180 in VR headset that does not lead to cross-eye. Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Hugh here from Creator Up. I am in the process of making a ultimate VR180 camera comparison video, which is coming up next. And I discovered a serious 3D problem of the Insta360 EVO. So I stopped everything and want to let you know because I truly care about you.
I love you.
Follow us.
Oh my god.
I ain't gonna never stop loving you.
Follow us.
Several bad puns later.
Today is May 2nd, 2019. Insta360 EVO in the current firmware does not have the best 3D. Here is why. As you see here, this is the anti-grav view of the Insta360 footage shot at my studio. Place close attention to the furthest object in the scene, which is the metal looking thing. It still has the great amount of stereo disparity, which is not right. Take a look at Kendall Kucam at the same shot. The stereo disparity is a lot less. In stereoscopic principle, objects in the infinite distance should have no stereo disparity. The camera or the stitching software is supposed to calibrate based on scene instead of a set value. My studio is small, but let's take a look at this shot. This is captured in Comic-Con 2019. As you see the Suzanne poster in the far distance, which is the infinite distance point, but still has clear disparity. This will make the foreground object way too much disparity and lead to cross-eye and discomfort in the VR headset. If you look back at my studio shot in your VR headset, this focal chart will cause you to cross your eyes. Let's take a look at the Views XR right here, which is another popular VR180 camera. Before the latest firmware update and software update, you also see a great disparity for object in the furthest distance. I restitched the same take with the latest software. Voila! I fixed it. So I highly recommend Views XR owner to restitch your old video to get a better stereoscopic result. So how to fix the Insta360 footage? I'm glad you asked. Well, in the ideal scenario, Insta360 EVO should have the software that can recalibrate the stitch based on scene instead of a set value. But to be 100% honest to you, no camera stock software will do a good job on scene-based calibration. This including the Zcam Wonder Stitch or the Google VR180 Creator 2. So to control the disparity of your particular shot, it is better to use a dedicated stitching solution like Mistika VR. Here is the workflow. Again, this is the stitch result from the Insta360 Studio 2019. And this is my result stitched with Mistika VR. As you see, again, there's disparity in the object in the far distance. And here, have close to zero disparity in object in the infinite distance. So let me show you how to do that. Go ahead and open Mistika. Go ahead and create a new project. EVO is 5.7K. Also select the correct frame rate. Go ahead and create a project. Then go ahead and drop the front and back lenses. It's two file, from the Insta360 EVO into Mistika. Go ahead and hit continue. And now that's the unstitched footage from the EVO. Go ahead and load a preset. In the newest version of the Mistika VR, they already come with the Insta360 EVO template right here, the EVO VR180 3D. Go ahead and select that. And then if you right here, turn on black and white anaglyph, punch in. If you take a look at the footage, it's already done. So there's no vertical parallax, which is very important. That's cause people sick. And it's also the parallax of this distant object is very minimum. From here, you can directly go ahead and render using ProRes, because Mistika can do ProRes. And in stereo, go ahead and pick left and right VR180. Audio is in the movie, and then you go ahead and hit render. It will generate the file you just saw. It's that easy. For EVO, it's not extra stuff you need to do because Mistika comes with a template already. But if you really want to adjust the infinite distance, you can adjust that by hitting this button and then hold down Shift and Alt and drag it. As you see now, have more disparity, less disparity, and no disparity. So you can adjust as you like right here. Again, it's not that simple, so follow this tutorial for a more in-depth instruction. This procedure is actually what, in the old time, what we used to stitch custom rig together into VR180 with any camera. Thank you for watching this video. If you don't want to purchase extra stitching software like Mistika VR, you should really like and comment below in this video so more people can see this and I can use the power of this community to push hardware manufacturers like Insta360 to improve their software. If you appreciate my honesty in 360 and VR180 camera review and want to support my channel, like and subscribe and share my content on your social media. Help me to help you. Let's learn 360 and VR180 production the right way on Creator Up.